Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to ABC Hosting. If you're into technology, content creation, or even exploring platforms like OnlyFans, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into a super intriguing question that has been buzzing around lately. Does OnlyFans allow AI content? Stick around because the answer might surprise you, and we'll also unpack all the conditions behind it. Cut to a transition screen with OnlyFans and AI content displayed. Now, let's talk about OnlyFans. You've probably heard of it. It's the go-to platform for creators who want to connect with their audience in a more personalized way. From exclusive content to creative freedom, OnlyFans has become a household name for content creation. But with AI technology changing the game, the question arises, can AI-generated content find its place here? The short answer is yes. OnlyFans does allow AI content, but there are conditions, and these conditions are super important for creators to know. Let's break them down one by one. OnlyFans requires creators to be upfront about their use of AI. If you're uploading AI-generated content, you need to clearly label it as such. Why? Because transparency builds trust with your audience, and it ensures they know exactly what they're engaging with. Next up, your AI content has to align with the platform's community guidelines. That means no explicit violations or anything that could harm the integrity of the platform. AI doesn't get a free pass here. It's held to the same standards as human-created content. OnlyFans is all about originality and exclusivity. If you're using AI tools to generate your content, make sure it's still unique and adds value to your audience. Simply recycling generic AI outputs won't cut it. You need to bring your own creative twist to the mix. Here's a big one. Respect intellectual property rights. AI tools sometimes replicate existing works or styles, and that can lead to copyright issues. So, if you're an OnlyFans creator using AI, always double check that your content doesn't infringe on someone else's work. And finally, authenticity matters. While AI can help you enhance your content, your audience is there for you. Use AI as a tool, not a replacement for your personal connection and unique personality. So, there you have it. Yes, OnlyFans allows AI content, but with these important conditions in place. If you're thinking about diving into this, make sure you stay within these boundaries to make the most of your creative journey. And hey, if you're interested in the adult industry and want to create your own website, I've got the perfect solution for you. Cloud Host. It's the best DMCA ignored hosting provider out there, making it the ideal choice for creators in this space. Whether it's adult hosting, streaming servers, or even DMCA ignored VPS hosting, Cloud Host has you covered. Check out the link in the description below and take your first step toward building your online empire. Thanks for watching this video on ABC Hosting. If you found this helpful or just plain interesting, make sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and fun content like this. Until next time, take care and keep creating. Bye for now. Subscribe for more.